It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean dance. It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest crowd, but their hearts break loud. Far from ever feeling lost.
So just had the Janssen. Feeling good so far. Nothing out of ordinary.
I'll push you back towards Atlantic Sea. They're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee.
It's such a nice day here in Hetauda today. I thought I would show you guys my hometown. It's really a beautiful day over here in Hetauda, and I mean, it's not always this beautiful. It's usually hot and sunny, and a typical day in Hetauda is it would be very hot in the morning and it would be a rainy afternoon and a rainy evening. But today it's very cool. We have some really nice clouds going in, and the temperature is very cool compared to other days, so it's okay. It's bearable to be outside. I just want to show you guys how beautiful Hetauda is. Let's roll in some drone shots.
Never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me.
Just took some drone shots. The jello on the drone was very terrible for some reason, and it's really bad footage. It's not good.
I think it's built right inside our DNA to share the human experience. So much of what people do and what I am trying to do on this platform revolves around this basic, simple fact. And I've been fortunate to partly live and witness the joys of being alive in this world from people all across the globe through this medium. Now, I just hope to return the favor.